Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Twitter, kind of what's going on with it. There's been a ton of news, a ton of controversy, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below. So if we actually look at Twitter stock here, we'll actually kind of break down what's been going on, right? So Twitter stock over the past couple of quarters has been struggling with earnings, with revenue, with their EPS, and just overall, they haven't been doing very, very good, right? You can see just by looking at all the ups and downs and volatility that we've seen, right? And looking right around this time period, right when this stock was about $38 a share, Elon Musk said, hey, I want some Twitter. So he claimed to purchase about 9% of this stock, right? Causing this stock to pop up because everybody wants to kind of be like Elon, invest like Elon. So this was a major fundamental catalyst causing a lot of people to buy it, causing the stock to skyrocket up. It popped up to about $48. It consolidated there for a while, and there's been a lot of people saying that he wasn't going to purchase it, and then he was, and then back and forth. But he is now purchasing Twitter for about just over $40 billion. And obviously, he brings in a lot of money, and a lot of people have been having this concern of, well, if he's going to be focusing all of his attention on Twitter, what about Tesla and all of his other companies that people are invested in? So there's been a lot of controversy about that. And a lot of people also are nervous because the deal per share that Elon is offering is $54.20. So if the deal goes through and the stock's at $48, okay, this thing can pop up to right at about here. Okay, right at about here, which we've seen it hit it way higher in the past. But if the deal doesn't fall through, which deals don't fall through all the time, this thing could be easily hitting $38 or $36, just like we've seen in the past before the deal. So a lot of people are pretty much nervous to invest because the max amount they can get is only about, just over a 10% return. And then the max loss could be over 20 or 30%. And another thing, a lot of people right now are nervous because Twitter, Elon Musk really wants to take Twitter private. He announced that he plans on taking this company private and work with the algorithm, build it back up, and then take it public. And there is no way, unfortunately, that we can continue to hold shares. You have to be an accredited investor, and they only have about 2,000 shareholders when they take a company private. The only way that you could actually be an investor in Twitter if they take it private is to go through one of those shareholders and have them kind of be a company that allows funding. And it's just a big headache. It's going to be very, very hard to do. But the beauty of it is if there is a way, or if he doesn't take the company private, now instead of that max being, $54.20, it pretty much lifts off that ceiling, and this thing could hit highs at $80 again. There's no cap on how much this thing can hit. I definitely think, though, right now of answering that question of should you buy Twitter or sell Twitter, I definitely think right now it's kind of in this higher risk, higher reward, right? You're risking $10 or 10% to possibly lose 20 or 30%, which is not a good risk and reward. So if you're somebody that is, maybe doesn't want to take that risk, or if you're somebody that's nervous about volatility in your account, then I would not advise this deal. But if you're somebody that wants to invest 2% of your account into something like Twitter or 1% and just see kind of what happens with it, then I think that's a great idea. If you guys are thinking that this is going to be the next Tesla, I definitely think there could be a couple of years before we see a growth. But the beauty of it is looking at Elon's past, I definitely think, though, from where Twitter is right now, we could see the stock 2 or 3x, but we just hope he doesn't take it private, which he's most likely going to do because that's his plan with it. So guys, that's kind of what's going on with it. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of worry right now, but as long as you guys kind of have a long-term outlook of kind of either holding this stock or possibly selling it and just taking your profit. I definitely think as long as you have that long-term outlook, you guys will be okay. And if they do take it private, the share price that you will get sold at is $54.20. So you will still make some money if you buy right now. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down below. But that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.